Have you tried everything and still found no real solution for your weight problem? If that's the case, the new minutes will be a game changer. Keep on watching.
It's just mind-blowing.
This is amazing.
Oh my gosh, I'm already down 27 pounds and 4 dress sizes, and I feel incredible.
I could have never imagined something so simple could fire up my metabolism so much. I've lost 37 pounds and everything I'm eating is just melting right off.
Do you see these? These are my favorite pair of jeans from high school. I never thought I would ever fit into these again, all because I lost 6 inches. This is mind-blowing. I look fantastic.
My doctor was just shocked at my last checkup, not only by how fast I lost so much weight when nothing else had worked, but how much my blood pressure and cholesterol have improved.
I've dropped 42 pounds, I'm healthier, my cravings are gone, and I have all-day energy that I've never experienced before in my life. It's amazing how life-changing this has been for me.
Hello and welcome. I'm John Barban. And the stunning feedback you just heard is only a small sample of the daily messages that come in from so many amazing people who have put what you're about to see to good use. And this is why I can't even describe how excited I am for you to be here today. You see, in the moments that follow, I'm going to show you what could be the most revolutionary, effortless, and enjoyable metabolism boosting breakthrough of our lifetime. An incredibly powerful fat.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click the link below in order to find out more.